It really is new year, new flat. So it is the 3rd of January today. I hope you all had a really nice Christmas and New Year's. This is the first video that I'm filming since before Christmas. So I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and New Year. So today, or this evening, we are going to Ikea because we want to get some new TV units, and we have been like, we've known we wanted them for ages, and we've been looking on Facebook Marketplace, and a lady is selling one on Facebook Marketplace right by the Ikea that we go to. So we're just going to buy one from Ikea and then go to that lady's and buy the other one there, so we're saving a little bit of money. So that's what we're doing tonight. I have also got some Ikea wardrobes that are being delivered on Friday because we couldn't fit them in the car, so we had to order them. So they're coming on Friday. Yeah, yesterday morning we found this sofa bed on Facebook Marketplace. Now it is dark grey, so I've just put this throw over it for now. I think I might get another throw and try and like neaten it up a little bit. There are also 2 cushions underneath that throw that I'm going to get my mum to make new covers for. So we got this yesterday from Facebook Marketplace, which then meant that, I don't know if you will have seen this room before, but basically it had a big bed here, so there was a double bed in the middle. So we put that down yesterday, took that to Rory's mum's to put in her garage, and then we have got, where I've put tape on the floor here, is basically going to be wardrobe and shelving. So that is what is going on in this room. I'll show you better on Friday or even later when we get back, because Rory's rushing now because it's 4 o'clock, so we want to miss the traffic because we've got to go to Milton Keynes. So we're going to go to Ikea now, hopefully find, we need like some lights. We've just sold 2 lamps on Facebook Marketplace, so they've gone, so we need some lamps, we need the unit. Whoa, maybe not. We're on the way to Ikea.
Steady it might do, but...
Yeah, maybe. We're just about to get on the motorway. We are on the way to Ikea, and, oh no, actually no we're not. We're on the way to the house of the lady that's selling the one bester unit that we're getting from Facebook Marketplace. So we're going to her first because obviously there's no point going to Ikea. Basically the one she's selling doesn't have doors on, so we're going to go and buy the doors from Ikea, but there's no point obviously going to Ikea afterwards if we don't like the one that she's selling. We've got a list on our phones of things that we want to get for the flat, and we've pretty much, once we've got these and some lamps, we've pretty much ticked everything up, haven't we? The only things left are like little bits of my room, like I want a new desk chair, a rug, my mum's making us some blinds, like little bits like that. The other thing that I really want to get recently, all of a sudden, is a Nintendo Switch. I'm really keen on getting a Nintendo Switch, and we did again have, we've really turned into Facebook Marketplace queens recently. We've been selling, we've been buying, you can get some great stuff on there. But yeah, so I really want a Nintendo Switch. Did have a look on Facebook, but people aren't really selling them for much cheaper than what you get them new. But I really want a Nintendo Switch, like one of the ones that you can connect to the telly. Oh, it's so dark. I was just gonna say we're here. Good news.
Best the units, well, unit secured.
1 unit secured.
Doorless.
Doorless, but it did have holes. There's a tiny chip, but we think it'll cover it with the doors. So
Half the price.
let's see if we can get, touch wood, we can get everything here. See, we think we might need a sofa bed at some point, and we've seen these on Ikea. Well, we've got, oh yeah, actually we don't need one at all. Oh well, get up, who cares? What do you think of this lamp? No, I don't like the linen in it actually, I'm lying. I like all the black. We go for black in the flat. Oh, it's a speaker.
Oh, no,
interesting, yeah. Yeah, we have all,
coming out of your purse, that one?
our flat is quite dark. Well, not dark, but like we're going for like black-ish furniture. So the best units are this colour, which do look black in this light actually. Yeah. But they are a little bit brown, yeah. So this is the colour that we've got our best unit. We need to find another one.
That's actually quite a nice vibe, isn't it? Like the black and sort of.
No. No. I'm in charge of, I'm most definitely in charge of decor, not Rory. I said to him, he said, right, we're basically nearly done. And I said, yeah, we'll be done and then I'll get all my little bits, not the Rory bits. Got them 2 best units with full doors, got a couple of shelves in there, and that's it, we're sorted. So, he's given us a list now so we can go and pick them from the end.
Come out of here a sec. Just got to check the mechanism.
Oh, this is the big desk. We're just practicing if we get a bigger desk at home. We both sit and use it together. Then we can get rid of your desk in the bedroom.
And do what?
Couldn't we? Get rid of the desk in your room and just share one in my room.
What we put in my room though? More storage for Millie. No.
I stuck for lights of what to put on the sideboard, so it's between, we've seen this one here, which I just don't know if that looks too plasticky and like cheap or if it looks nice. I kind of like it, I don't know, this is my favourite at the moment, or the one that I thought originally was these, and I liked that one, but now we're just wondering whether that's going to go on black, but I think it will. So we got to the end of Ikea to go to the marketplace to pick up all the furniture, and Rory had lost the sheet of paper that the man had given us with everything on. Hang on, I'm moving this a bit. People looking at me. Yeah, Rory's lost a piece of paper that had all the information about the cabinets, like to pick up in the like warehouse bit. So he's just had to go back and go and find them, and he's been gone for ages, and I'm just stood in all the plants like waiting for him. I think when we were filming, when he was filming the desks, I think he put the sheet down, and now we don't have it. So I am, yeah, and you are in my trolley, by the way, in case you're wondering what angle this is. You're in my trolley because I'm too scared to get the camera out and hold it in front of my face. Did you find it? No, you had to go and get him to do it again. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right, let's go and find the cabinets. We have done some Jenga to get this in the car, so this is the best unit. Oh, this is actually... Rory, is this missing a foot? Have we knocked that off? So everything is in. I'm gonna have to sit on the back seat on the way home, but I think we're gonna go to McDonald's just because we want to put all this up tonight, and Rory's got work tomorrow, so we want to get back early. Get into bed early, I meant. So just hope that this shuts. But yes, we're gonna go and have a McDonald's, get home, put all this together, and then the flat is pretty much basically nearly there, except for my wardrobes. Actually, I keep forgetting that they're coming on Friday. Okay, we're back. Everything got back okay. God, my makeup's coming off. And also, if you're wondering why my hair looks so greasy, I've got a hair mask in. That is why it looks like that. But this is the current... Why is this camera just not focusing? I really think I've done something to the settings on this. This is the current setup. I'm going to take that down tomorrow. This needs to go. And then these are going to come across here. So we've got one door on, just. This is the light, and I think we're quite happy that we ended up getting this one, to be honest. Did get a few other things, but I'll show them in a bit, because if I don't help, Rory might shout at me, won't you?
Yeah.
Good morning! It is Friday, 2 days later. We've got a boot full of stuff to take to the tip. We need to go to the tip, but the one down here, which I've never had at home, the one down here, you have to take a letter or something to prove that you live here, which I don't have, so Rory needs to do it, but he's forgotten to bring that with him, so I don't think we're doing that today, but we need to get it out of the flat, so it's just in the boot. Where are we going, Rory?
Home Sense!
Woo! Rory's favourite place ever. You do actually like a little nose in there.
Yeah, I don't mind it, but you spent an awful long time in that.
So we're going to Home Sense. We're going to go and see, basically, oh, I haven't even shown you the cabinets that we bought. So they're all built, and obviously they're quite long, and they're very empty. They're giving empty vibes. So I've ordered a vase from H&M Home, which is coming in a couple of days, and we've got the light on there. Rory got me a nice print actually for Christmas, which is on there. That's about it. I mean, the candles actually are on there, but either way, it's big. There's a big gap in the middle, isn't there, basically? What do you want to put there? Because yesterday, Rory told me that he didn't feel like he had enough input. So, what would you like on
enough? Any.
Any. The problem is, which I explained to him yesterday, because I do interior design, and that's what I like doing.
She goes, oh, well, boys shouldn't. Most boys don't care for us saying this. I said, well, most boys don't even spend the money on it.
No, to be fair, Rory does. You do enjoy doing it, and I appreciate that, and I appreciate your finances towards that. But yeah, because I do interior design, I just want it like how I would like it. So Rory is going to have a bit of a say in Home Sense. Yeah, Rory's actually woken up like 20 minutes ago. Also, Rory's had a little bit of face tan on because my friend used it on her boyfriend. It's a spray, and my friend used it on her boyfriend and he looked really nice and proud, didn't he? And I've used it on Rory and it's just clung to the beard a little bit. No, you don't look orange, it's just clung, it's made your beard a little bit ginger, that's all.
I don't think it has.
Okay, we're lamp shopping. Yeah, we're really struggling to find a lamp for the hallway, but the problem is we've sold ours, so we really need one now because the hallway's pitch black. And we kind of need like a square, like rectangular one like that. And look, this is our new little friend Rory. We need to name him. No, I can't, that's too high up. There we go. This is our new little friend. Hold him. But yeah, we're going to name him.
That chair over there would have gone good.
What? What chair over where?
The white one.
That one?
Yeah.
Go where?
That's the one we got.
Not the same though. I love these. Oh, wasn't expecting that. 60 quid. Kind of plasticky though. Right, lamp. Rory lamp. I mean, we kind of really need one and I don't hate that. It's not the vibe that I was intending to get at all, but I just don't think that'll fit on the sideboard because it's so round. I do like that one though. If not, that could go on the sideboard in the lounge. That would look really nice on the sideboard in the lounge. Should we get that one?
Is this cardboard karaoke?
Yeah. Why do I look like I'm being run through a hedge backwards? This one?
Don't mind it. I was quite like it.
Oh, we like this one. We like this one.
Heads down.
Rory thinks, so the car that he's got, this Peugeot, a lot of police cars are the same make. So Rory always thinks that people are going to think that he's an undercover cop. But obviously the police would not use...
I do look like an undie in my tech police.
But obviously the police would not use the same car that they use for police cars as an undercover car.
You're getting demonetised.
I'm not monetised anyway on YouTube.
I reeled you in there.
One day.
I just get forced to listen to any music you like. I didn't have a clue.
So if someone was to say to Rory, what's your music taste? You'd say whatever Billy says. You do say that though.
No, but
I'll show him a song.
We had the exact same at uni when we met.
I'll show him a song.
But now I'm just lazy, I don't look
yeah,
for music.
I'll show him a song and it'll just somehow end up in your playlist.
90% of them hate.
You pick a song, what would you like on?
I can't think of something like that.
This is Rory's favourite song at the moment. Have I just had croissant on my face that entire time?
Turn it off. Oh, you play, I can't stand it.
Go through a bit of a Bruno.
It's now 72 again.
Says you wants to listen to Neo.
Yeah, but that's bangers. This is like
this is a great
cringy,
song.
like this stinks. This is why I end up liking music, because you fucking force it down my throat.
You did. Not this song.
In Millie's car, it's Millie's music. In my car, it's Millie's music. Oops, my finger slipped.
I've just been and had my nails done. They look so much better. We went for, please focus. We went for French tip because I just wanted to go back to what I normally have, which is plain and boring. So we're going for French tip, they're really nice. And whilst I was out, we've had a little, I say a little, a rather large delivery. Don't stand on that, Rory, it's not thingy done. Right, we are making progress. 2 wardrobes are up, so this is the problem we have with this roof look because it's so slanted. So these are 35 depth wardrobes. This is going to have all the shelves in. I don't know if I mentioned, but they aren't coming till next week, so Rory's going to have to collect them.
40?
236, I think the height is. You fit in there quite nicely, Ro. We've got the top shelf up and the rail up, and then we were just testing the height of the shelves to see how far my clothes would hang down. So that is the rail, so like I said, they kind of poke outwards instead because it's a not as deep wardrobe. So other than that, we are pretty much done. Again, actually no, the shelves aren't in. So let me sit here again. So we've got, oh, they've fallen through. Look, we need to Gorilla Glue these drawers to get them to stay in. And then we've got shelf, rail, shelf and a trouser hanger, and then this is going to have 6 shelves in, and we've lined these up so that should match with that shelf and that should match with that shelf hopefully. So these are all done. I am so happy with them. I think, to be honest, we did not think we'd be able to fit anything in this space because of these ceilings. I didn't realise that Ikea did like 35 depth wardrobes, and I'm so happy I found them. So now we just need to tidy all the rest of this mess up. I need a rug and then we're pretty much done. We got it working, 5 light bulbs later.
I don't know why it wasn't. That's so strange.
I mean, it literally does not even look that great from here because you can't see. Can you move back, please?
This is a fucking candle.
Yeah. Can you move? You wouldn't light it though. Okay, so apologies for it being a little bit dark, but this is the, I don't actually know if I showed you the sideboard after we finished it. So I'm just sat editing the video. I'm talking quietly because it's actually 7 o'clock in the morning and Rory is fast asleep. But I'm just sat editing the video and I had no outro. I didn't film anything else. I don't really know why. I just put the camera down and that was that. So my room isn't completely done yet and the living room isn't completely done yet, but I will definitely show you guys when we have properly finished them. I'll leave the video here because the video is ready to go up, so yeah, I'm just gonna leave it here. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and if you did make it to the end of the video, then thank you, it means a lot. I am trying to get on my YouTube game this year, so hopefully there will be a few more uploads from me a bit more regularly this year. I really hope you enjoyed and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!